If you want to draw something on photos on Samsung Galaxy A17, all you have to do is open the gallery. Next, we're going to open the photo on which we want to draw. So let's say I'm going to choose this one and then tap on this pen icon that we have at the bottom of the screen. Now we're going to go to this smiley face with a pen. And over here, as you can see, we have draw option. So we can use one of these tools. You can also tap on the tool again in order to find some other options. So let's say I'm gonna choose this blue color over here, and I'm gonna decrease the thickness as well. And now we can start drawing our shapes. So you can draw anything, and we can draw after we draw a shape, we can keep our finger on the screen to automatically straighten it out. So let's see if it's work. Yep, there we go, it works just fine. We can draw a straight line as well. And once you are done, you have two options. You can either press save over here at the top, but it will overwrite the original photo. If you want to keep the original photo, then we can tap on these three dots instead and choose save copy. So you will have this edited photo and the original one as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.